All right, so our next guests are about to make all you special events just a little sweeter. Joining us this morning is Candy Saga's Chief Executive Officer, O'Neill Dempster, and Event Coordinator, Melissa Vidal, right? Not
Yes.
Vidal, Vidal. Morning to you both.
Morning.
Mas O'Neill, Wagwan.
I'm good.
Why you wanted to start this sweet treat?
Well, you know, when going to school, everybody wanted to be doctors, lawyer. I wanted to be a CEO, and I like colorful stuff. So I started a candy business when I was like 16. I started studying the market and, you know, meeting people and finding out what to do and how to do it and the right way to go about doing it.
O'Neill, I love that story. O'Neill say everybody want to do this. Him just want to be the boss.
Yes.
So you used to deal with a lot of candy.
Yes, back in school, you know, used to hide and sell candy in the school system, and you know, it was really going good. And you know, when I started, thanks to Petals and Promises, they helped me along the way. I call her my fairy godmother, Cara Anderson. She helped me with my decor, teach me how to set up and so on, and how to do baby shower, weddings, and corporate events.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're lucky them never tell people not to eat too much sugar, but or your business wouldn't move.
Yes.
But candy is candy, but you've put a little twist on it.
Yes.
Melissa, don't leave you out, you know. So
No problem.
You put a little twist on it.
So we, you know, getting for baby shower or a wedding, colors are very hard to get in Jamaica. Because Jamaica don't really see the importance of candy, right? So we want to enforce that in Jamaica, and also to show them that you can do different varieties for your baby shower, your wedding. Right here we have a baby shower reveal, gender reveal. So right here you can see if it's a boy or a girl, and either way we have all the colors. We have over 300
Gender
different.
reveal. All right,
Yes.
Melissa, your time now. So
problem.
when you plan your event now, and I just call you and say, I have something coming up, I want some candy. And that's it? That's how I tell you?
So you're going to choose the colors that you want for your events, and we will do that for you.
Light blue and white.
Okay, no problem. So we
Yeah.
got that for you. And you like verify some of the things that you would like. But if you want bubble gum, you want marshmallows, we even have our chocolate fountains. If you want that there, we can give that to you also.
And the chocolate fountain, and I like blue and white too.
No, that's
Oh.
chocolate. So you get your marshmallows and you put it underneath your chocolate
And
fountain.
it does nice it up.
Yes.
All right, tell me what you've brought. Start from this side. You don't have to move. Just come around a little bit more, O'Neill, and just tell me what you've brought from that side. What is that looking something? That is just decoration.
That's candy rock.
That's candy rocks.
That's
and cotton
actually candy.
Yes,
Yes.
it
That
is.
can eat.
Yes.
Yes,
Everything
it is.
here is edible.
This right here is can eat.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
What is it? What is it? You tell me
All
candy
right,
rock
so
already.
we
What-
have so our candy rocks. These we made from scratch. So it's made from raw sugar, and we have gumballs, cotton candy. We have blueberry gummy bears. We have light blue gummy bears. We have macaroons, and we have our packaging, which you can get. We have over 25 different baby packages which you can get. We also have marshmallows here, different colors, depending on color what you want. We also have our silver gumballs to match back
So
with
only
it.
didn't know about the light blue and white before they come. Light blue and white, all right? So basically
Yeah.
it's the same thing on this side.
Yes.
That's
Same
on
thing
that
on
side,
this
just a
side.
different color.
So
Yes.
over here
Over
now.
here.
Here.
Yes,
Yes.
that's where we call our Candy Saga Club. So how Candy Saga Club work is that each month you can subscribe and get different candies sent to your location. So we have from sugar-free candies to chocolate to gumballs to jelly beans, anything of your sort,
hard.
we have it right here.
Even though I accept sugar-free candy just don't sound like it makes sense. 'Cause candy
Well,
is
Not
supposed
that
to
much
sweet.
sugar.
Candy
It's
is
less
supposed to
sugar.
sweet. No, I accept, and it's a good thing that you're having less sugar. But I don't know if you understand. Candy, candy is supposed to sweet. When you say sugar-free candy, it's all like, that can't be candy.
Yes.
Fantastic. Where are you? You have a physical space?
No, not at the moment. We will open our location in 2020 in Harpertree.
Okay, but right now you just sell online?
Right now we're just doing
Online.
online and doing catering.
How we find you?
All
What's
right,
your
so-
handle?
All right, so you can find us on Instagram at CandySaga_. That's CandySaga_. Also, you can follow Petals and Promises on Instagram. You can call them, book your event to get all your decor and everything, and we provide the candy
Yeah.
for you, nevertheless.
Melissa, what kind of lead-up time I have? So I'm having a little baby shower on Sunday next week. I can call you Saturday.
No problem.
What?
No
The day
problem.
before? Can you
Because
start
we
me
do
out?
have a few packaging in stock same way. So yes, we have them for you.
But
Yes.
ideally, what kind of lead-up time you would want?
All right.
Two days.
Yes, that's
2
it.
days. 2
2
days
days
is
the
good
most.
enough.
And if I call you or say I'm having a little baby shower, I need to tell you exactly what I want, or I'll just...
You can just give us the color. You want baby blue or you want navy
And we
blue.
walk you through it and give you different
Yes.
options.
So you
and
have different packages?
different
Yes,
packaging
we do.
deal, and also for birthday parties, we interact with the kids and let them enjoy themselves and so on.
Give me an idea of what the cost would be, say,
All right, so for a simple,
an idea.
a simple baby shower like this would cost like around 20 grand to get everything, and also you get a host to host your party for you, and that's free of cost. Where we host your party, we play games with your guests and interact with them as much as possible. And if it's a birthday party, we do a workshop with the kids where we make marshmallows and also make different candy.
Yes.
So you make all these yourself, or you give out the work?
So, well, some of them
Some
we
of them,
make, and
yeah,
some of them
we
is from the world best known
Yes.
candy, which is in America. So that's where we source our candy from. So it's not like the average gummy bear which you can get at a regular supermarket or regular shop. It's something with a different.
Yeah, back to the baby shower. This is it, or there's more that
There's
I
more
want?
to
There's
this,
more
more
to
to this,
this.
more to it. We have a backdrop, everything, and you
But
know,
as far as candy goes,
Yes.
as far as
Candy
candy goes,
as
we got
far as actually eating stuff, this would be it?
yes.
All of
And
this is-
more. And more.
And more.
And more. I have a cotton candy machine, a chocolate fountain, where you can make your own and enjoy your event.
Fantastic.
So as we say at Candy Saga, a party without candy is just a meeting.
Aye. Like that. So, when you hear Chief Executive Officer, you must just say, yes, that we did one.
There we go.
There you go.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats, sir.
Yeah, man,
Congrats.
thanks very much.
Yeah, I hope it works for you. And it seems like it is working.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to say this very slowly. Candy Saga's Chief Executive Officer. He said he just wanted to be a CEO. His name is Emil Dempster, and event coordinator, Melissa Vidal.